Who are we? At Daxon Machinery, we are a leading provider of comprehensive solutions for all your machinery needs. Daxon Machinery provides a one-stop solution, offering a wide range of services, including selling machine equipment, dismantling machines, loading into containers, custom clearing, shipment, and even installing and commissioning of machines. Our expertise and experience in handling the entire process ensure a seamless and hassle-free experience for our clients. In addition to our comprehensive range of services, Daxon Machinery also takes pride in offering top-quality products. All our machine equipment has been thoroughly repaired, serviced, and tested to ensure they are free from any defects. Customers can rest assured that all machines can be powered on for a test run under one roof in our warehouse, providing peace of mind and confidence in the quality of our products. With a focus on reliability, quality, and customer-centric service, Daxon Machinery has earned a reputation as a trusted partner in the industry. Our commitment to excellence and our comprehensive range of services make us the go-to choice for businesses seeking reliable and efficient machinery solutions. In conclusion, Daxon Machinery is dedicated to providing a seamless and comprehensive experience for our clients, from the initial purchase to ongoing support and maintenance. With our one-stop solution and commitment to quality, we are proud to be the preferred partner for businesses in need of top-quality machine equipment and services.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform